Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ukonrat ke sangma ha ke shipotrek mutabna Jylla arajar kat khandai ula play pajba ya ke Ophis rekam Jong ke Zila Sainik welfare tura kabaran ha phalau Jong ke Ophis rekam u deputy commissioner Jong ke district kaban pen ya ke bha kamiat Jong ki sipai bala song thai nakakam komjo ya ki lok Jong ki sipai ki bala khlat no bar ki khon ki ti Jong ki nakabanta ki santli ki district Jong ka rilom garo ha bakran ko mukong san ha ke jelang ukonrat ke sangma ulong ba ka jingpan kha ya ke Ophis rekam Jong ke Zila Sainik welfare hatura kanyarap yaki sipai ki balasong that nakakam sakri banyada yakari bat kumjoro yaki kurem bat ki khon ki kti jong sipai ki balakhla no hakaba kimdan kamsho bandang lejwa jingarap naka Ophis rekam jong ka Zila Sainik welfare shadu nongba shillong hakane gasngi laidon langru Myntri sarkar bakmi yakatnat GAD uba coming one ombon konthop ru yu advisor jong Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Thomas e sangma ka MLA jong ka Selsela ka Fairlin e sangma u chief secretary ka Jylla uba pi thank you ka additional chief secretary ka Jylla ka kong RV Suchang u deputy commissioner ka West Garo Hills district u Ram Singh but u director jong ka Sainik welfare
really working towards is the ex-service contribution health clinic. This is another thing that already contributions have been made by the ex-servicemen earlier, and this is a service that should have been provided a long time back. Even now you have to go all the way again to Gwalpara to Shillong for this service, and I think that is one thing I would request Colonel Rai, that we have to work together to ensure that this ex-service contribution health clinic also is opened up at the earliest, so that our ex-servicemen and their widows can get the benefit that they deserve. I think it is the least that we can do for you and give back to you what service that you have given, the selfless service that you've given to the nation. So as a government, we thank you for all the service that you've given to our country, and we dedicate this office to all the ex-servicemen, the widows, and all who have continuously worked to protect this wonderful country of ours. Having said that, I'm sure you are aware that by this office being opened up here, it will provide the basic services that you as ex-servicemen and the widows very importantly need. Earlier you had to leave and go all the way to Shillong for basic problems like pension and other administrative work. I'm happy to inform you that at least the 5 districts of Garo Hills will not have to travel so far anymore. All the services will be available here in Tura itself.